G'day viewers, it's a good day for a ride today. Today we're going to head down to Collie. See you on the road. Should we go for a ride?
This is Australia. How is it? Australia. You're living in it. Yep. Here we are in Waroona. Say bear. Rodney Copperbottom. Hello everybody. We're Rodney Copperbottom. Smiley cow. Here we are, the crown. Cheers. 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 Cheers.
Cheers and beers.
Cheers and beers.
Hello everybody, I'm Rodney Copperbottom.
Oh Jesus, we've got Rodney. We've got Rodney. What was I thinking?
Have a beer.
We nearly forgot Rodney. Had to go back and get him.
Oh yeah, that tastes interesting after I've just cleaned my teeth.
Anyway,
That's an interesting flavour.
cheers big ears.
Cheers.
Okay. Goodbye.
No, you missed
Brown
one.
tea,
Yeah. It's like a little half-sized duck. So we're getting it today. This is quite nice actually. Yeah.
There you go.
So, Crown Hotel, Collie, chicken snitty, chicken palmy,
He's doing that.
chicken snitty,
With mushroom sauce.
and bruschetta, and a finger. I'm Rodney. Hello everybody, I'm Rodney Copperbottom.
With the glasses on and everything. Here's a chip, Rodney.
It was lunch. Is that Coalfields Road? No. Anyway, that was lunch. Bloody good. And we'll head home via Boddington, Quindanning. There's the Federal Hotel. I suppose all we need to do really is just follow this truck up here. They're probably going there. But it's good to catch up with Roscoe and Jules. But we shall continue on. Let's go. The Collie River. All right, a whole lot of nothing out here. And let's turn right on Harvey Quindanning Road, which is right here. Sounds like I know what I'm talking about, but Google Maps just told me. So we'll chuck it right here. think we're heading to Boddington. So, let's go! The sky, the road, the red dirt, the trees. It's pretty bloody great. The bush. I'm a freak of nature. I'm a freak of nature. As cool as you. Drop into the Quindanning. What? Yeah, that's what they say. How's the ride been so far?
It's been good.
Yeah, had a good day.
Had a good day. Nice lunch.
Yeah, lunch was pretty
Good
good.
to catch up with some good people.
Yeah.
Even though Russ was there.
Oh, good on you, Roscoe.
Big Bogan.
Cheers, big ears.
Now we're at the oldie English Inn.
The old English Quindanning.
I think you'll find it's the Quinny.
20.
You like the sign over there? Don't be a tosser.
Those boys over there sound like they're being tossers.
So just spin that way for the poochers at the pub.
Poochers at the park.
Poochers at the pub.
Poochers at the pub.
Disregard the people.
Yeah. All right.
We always look for the poochers.
We'll plan a good day. Still got a fair way to go, so we'll see you on the road.
It's starting to get a lot hotter, I
Adventures
think.
with socks. It is getting hotter. Be cool. We'll have another drink. Well, we'll have the same drink, but we'll have another sip. The old English Inn. Not a bad place. I keep threatening to ride out here, but I always end up going somewhere else. Shit happens. And that's why we ride, isn't it? Isn't it?
Because shit happens.
That's right.
Yes.
Get out there.
Can I? Mate?
Anyway, up your bums. We'll see you soon. Okay, so we'll leave the McQuinny. We'll head on home via Boddington. Get on.
Body.
I don't think anybody calls it body.
Head south on Pinjarra Williams Road towards Harvey Quindanning Road.
Didn't ask you.
Continue for 800 metres.
Let's go! Cute little church. And a whole lot of nothing. Cows. And hay bales. Lots of hay bales. All right. about this little tunnel. Woo! Haha! There you go. Wacko. Okay, so if we turn left, we go to Dwelling Up. Or we turn right, we go to Brookton and back to Perth. Boddington and back to Perth we'll go. Let's go!
Boddington. To Bannister.
Here we are, folks, Boddington. And I don't actually think I've ever been to Boddington. There you go. Yeah. Never been here before. It's always a first for something. Well, the outskirts of Boddington anyway. Always a first for something. Apparently Google's telling me I have arrived. Big Greg Day's garage there. It's a bit of a mining town, Boddington. Boddington Hotel. Never been to the Boddington Hotel. A few people having bevies there. The Nugget, Bottle-O. That's a good name for a Bottle-O, isn't it? The Nugget. Anyway, it's cool here. Sculptures in the park. It's a big... That's a big cock. That's a giant cock. There you go. Now you've been to Boddington. Throwing off the person. We'll go across here. I sure hope this is the right way to go. Got no idea where this road takes me. Oh well. I reckon we'll call this quits for today. Thanks for joining us on this adventure. Be sure to watch. Subscribe down below. And we'll see you on the next adventures on Socks.